this? Science Museum. Wait, nga nakalimutan. Yan, so just a few blocks away from our hotel, you'll find yung Nagoya City Science Museum. So, para lang siyang mga a minute walk. So, we actually got the perfect hotel here in Nagoya.
Baka perfect naman.
Hindi kasi location
mas
talaga.
Perfect na sa kabila.
Finding a hotel, when you're on a trip, location is really the key because mas makakatipid ka sa pamasahe. So instead of riding the train, diba, hindi na tayo gagastos. Nakarin na naman. Anyway, here is the
Mall of Asia.
Mall of Asia. The Science Museum natin. We booked the museum only for 400. Yung with planetarium is 800. Gusto sana namin yung with planetarium. Unfortunately, yung explanation kasi is all in Japanese and that will run for 15 minutes. So we decided to just take the museum na lang. So for the museum, you'll get to have access sa 6th of floors ng building. And what we're doing right now is you're heading up sa 6th, then pababa. So unahin natin yung pinatay. Sobrang yung memories ko from the physics, chemistry, and biology class nag-refresh.
Nasagot na namin yung mga mali namin sa
mga katanungan natin. It was all answered. Hindi, kasi interactive yung yung museum, kaya
madali matutunan.
Tsaka it's easier to fun siya, especially if you're bringing kids. Order the same for me. There siya, guys. Fill up na tayo ng gusto natin. Here. Thank you. Push for water. Water. Tsaka so, nasa Ichiran kami guys. And order kami ng ramen. So first, ramen namin for this trip. Just there. Bukov, Giu, Uniqlo.
Oh my!
Shopping tayo guys. Kano? 5,000. Shopping siya daming pinamili. So total ko today naka 5K na ako.
Me to less than 3 pa.
Gosh. Kaya pa ba ng luggage? Mag-breakfast sa hotel and tapos merong mackerel, fish, stuff. Japan, we are still here in Nagoya and this is actually our very last food. Port of Nagoya. Na-late kami sa dolphin show. Sobrang a few minutes. So, nandito tayo sa Isayatory Station. Nandito tayo sa pinaka-central part ng Nagoya. And this is the Chubo Electric Tower or Mirai Electric Tower. So this is Nagoya's Central Park. My Fridays. At the back, we got the Mirai Tower. So guys, medyo gloomy yung weather. Ang pamasahe, ang fee is around 490 or 1,300 yen. Guys, we are heading sa Nagoya Castle. So naglakad lang kami from Mirai Tower. Walking distance lang naman. Kaya nilakad na lang din. But we are actually also looking for a place to eat. So the winner is Kokoy Chibanya. Thank you. So we're back at the Kokoy Chibanya and we order a favorite pork cutlet with egg. So guys, we're here at Nagoya Castle. Namili tayo guys for 800 pesos. Uwi na tayo guys, pagod na. Going home guys. Also, aside from regular ticket of 980 yen, nagbayad pa kami ng additional 500. Dito na sa tren, may lumapit sa amin na staff. So we paid additional 500 for the limited express. So yung train na to, parang 3 stops lang siya. So doon kami galing. Lakad namin yan. Yan dito. Mahaba pala lakarin. So guys, we passed the customs. Sobrang dali ng processing sa Japan. As in, walang tao yung customs ano nila. Oo, walang tao. Puro ano na. Puro machine na. Tapos yung processing na pagka may binili ka tulad na sa akin mga tax-free items, hindi naman pala nakakatakot. Medyo kinakabahan pa ako. kasi maraming mga like merong mga ano ito, may babayaran pagka binuksan, mga something na ganun na ruling. Pero pagdating namin dito sa airport, pagpas ng custom, in-scan lang yung passport namin and then it's done. Ganun lang. Tapos sinilit lang nung staff yung passport. And then we passed through it. And now we have a lot of time to stroll around the airport. We still got around 4,000 yen remaining. May pang lunch pa tayo. Last lunch. Nubos na namin lahat ng pera namin. So ito na yun. guys, so I'm back home. Dito na tayo sa bahay. Ang laki ng tinaba ko. Anyway, that's the whole trip guys, and I see you all again on my next vlog. Bye!